Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we'll talk about an exciting new defense partnership forming between the Philippines and Ukraine, a potential game-changer in defense technology and drone co-production. Both nations face growing threats from authoritarian regimes, Russia for Ukraine and China for the Philippines, and now they may soon join forces in developing next-generation unmanned systems. According to reports, the Philippines and Ukraine are planning to sign a defense technology cooperation agreement in the coming months. This partnership could pave the way for the joint production of drones and other unmanned systems, a crucial step for both countries in their quest to strengthen self-reliant defense capabilities. Ukraine, since the start of the Russia-Ukraine war in early 2022, has rapidly expanded its drone technology, transforming unmanned systems into one of the main pillars of its defense strategy. Meanwhile, the Philippines is modernizing its armed forces and exploring new technologies under the Self-Reliant Defense Posture (SRDP) program to reduce dependence on foreign imports. The two countries' paths are now intersecting, with Manila seeing Kyiv as a partner that brings not only experience, but also combat-proven innovation. Ukraine's drone development is unlike any other in modern warfare. Since 2022, Ukrainian engineers and defense industries have produced thousands of combat drones, ranging from small FPV kamikaze drones to long-range surveillance and strike UAVs. But Ukraine's innovation doesn't stop in the air. They've also developed uncrewed surface vessels, small, fast, remotely controlled naval drones capable of carrying explosives and targeting warships. These have successfully hit several Russian vessels in the Black Sea, proving how effective unmanned technologies can be against superior fleets. For the Philippines, an archipelagic nation with vast maritime zones, this experience is highly relevant. Imagine the Philippine Navy or Coast Guard using similar systems for surveillance or deterrence in the West Philippine Sea. In 2024, Ukraine officially opened its embassy in Manila, signaling a new phase in its bilateral relationship. Ukrainian officials have made it clear that they're building an alliance network with middle powers like the Philippines, which share similar security challenges and democratic values. Defense analyst Chester Cabalza explained that this cooperation gives the Philippines access to Ukraine's real-world combat experience, particularly in countering hybrid and gray zone tactics, the same kind of tactics used by China in the South China Sea. This partnership isn't just about hardware, it's about shared lessons in asymmetric warfare, affordability, and rapid innovation. These are the exact principles the Philippines needs as it strengthens its defense capabilities amid growing regional tensions. Drones are what experts call force multipliers. They expand a nation's defense capabilities without requiring massive fleets or large budgets. For the Philippines, drones and unmanned systems could be key tools for surveillance, reconnaissance, and deterrence. Ukrainian-designed drones, known for their affordability and combat-tested reliability, could help protect both internal security and maritime domains. Experts even suggest that upcoming military exercises, such as Balikatan, could serve as a real-world testing ground for these systems. Ukrainian-made drones might soon be evaluated for interoperability with the Philippines' allies, including the United States, Japan, and Australia. Ukraine's battlefield experience provides valuable insights that the Philippines can learn from. When Russia invaded, Ukraine didn't just rely on imported weapons. It mobilized local industries and tech startups to produce its own drones and weapon systems quickly and cheaply. This kind of self-reliance is exactly what the Philippine Self-Reliant Defense Posture (SRDP) program is aiming for. By collaborating with Ukraine, the Philippines could gain access to not only technology transfer, but also production know-how, accelerating its domestic defense manufacturing capability. Imagine Filipino engineers working alongside Ukrainian experts to produce locally made drones, tested in actual combat scenarios, customized for Philippine terrain and maritime conditions. Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr. recently stated that the Philippines is exploring drones and other unmanned systems as temporary substitutes for submarines. While submarines are still part of the long-term modernization roadmap, their high cost and complex logistics mean they may take years to acquire. Unmanned underwater or surface systems, however, can perform reconnaissance, patrol, and deterrence missions at a fraction of the cost. Ukraine's experience in naval drones offers a practical template for the Philippines to follow: cost-effective, flexible, and fast to deploy. In the coming months, as the Philippines and Ukraine finalize their defense technology cooperation agreement, we could witness the birth of a powerful new partnership, one that blends Ukrainian battlefield innovation with Philippine resilience and strategic determination. Both nations understand what it means to defend sovereignty against stronger powers. By sharing technology, experience, and courage, they're not just building drones, they're building a new era of smart defense collaboration. So, what do you think of this potential Philippines-Ukraine partnership? Could it reshape our drone capabilities and bolster our national defense? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AFP modernization updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.